Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Connections. This goes straight to the network controls. Once there, turn Wi-Fi on or verify mobile data is active so you can test changes immediately. Make sure you know the router SSID and password or the carrier APN values because you will need them in the next steps. You do not need to reboot yet. Instead, stay in Connections and proceed to either Wi-Fi or mobile networks, depending on which setting you will change. You now make the detailed changes. For Wi-Fi, tap the network name, choose Modify Network, and switch IP settings between DHCP and static when you need a fixed IP. Enter IP, gateway, and DNS if using static. If changing mobile settings, go to Mobile Networks, open access point names, then add or edit the APN fields exactly as your carrier specifies. Make sure to save each profile. Once done, check the assigned IP and DNS to confirm the device received the. To finish, restart Wi-Fi or toggle airplane mode to force the phone to reconnect with the new settings. This applies your changes immediately. If connectivity fails, reset network settings from Settings General Management and then re-enter SSID or APN values precisely. This clears cached conflicts. As a precaution, take screenshots of working configurations so you can restore them quickly. If problems persist, contact your ISP or carrier and provide exact IP, gateway, and DNS values for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.